Hey guys, welcome back to Nappy Missy101. And today's homemade natural shampoo is inspired by two of my favorite YouTubers, Penny and Kakra. In the description, you'll find a link to their YouTube channel and how they liquefy their black soap. Materials needed for today's recipe is a bowl, pure almond oil, argan oil, black castor oil, an application bottle, hot water, and of course, a filter. Let's get started. So we're going to take our bowl and a spoonful of black soap and place it into your bowl. Black soap is great for treating scalp conditions. It's created from natural materials of the earth and a natural source of iron and vitamins A and E. Once you've poured in your boiled water, as you can see, we are going to mix or knead with our hands until the soap is fully dissolved. I of course have no patience, hence why I'm using my hands. Or if you wish, you could wait 2 hours until it's fully dissolved. And once that process is complete, we are going to pour in our oils. So first here we have the almond oil, our black castor oil, and lastly is our argan oil. Guys, feel free to pour in any amount that you wish. Once the soap is dissolved into the water, you want to pour it into your application bottle. This shampoo could also be used as a body wash, guys. Because I haven't added any really strong essential oils to this mixture, it makes it safe for your skin. This mixture is good for any scalp issues and helps with the promotion of hair growth. How about we apply it to our scalp? You can see we are going to directly apply it to our scalp, guys, and we are going to massage that in, and we're just applying it like a regular shampoo, like, you know, like duh. Oh my goodness, look at the definition of my curls. Don't you just wish that the texture of your hair when shampoo is applied can just stay like that? Anyway guys, that's it for my easy to make DIY homemade shampoo. See you soon!